Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Model Textbook English for Class 6. Let's open the book. Today I will discuss with you use of language. A modal is a verb that is used to express ability. Yes, a modal is a verb that is used to express ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. Okay, let me explain again. A modal is a verb that is used to express ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. It is a type of auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb means helping verb, okay, that is used together with the main verb of the sentence. Some common examples include can, may, should, must, shall, and will. These are the examples of modals, modal verbs. Yes. So now I will tell you the usage of modal verbs, how you can use them and where you will use them. Okay, let's start. Can. Can is a modal verb, as you know it. Can is a modal that is used to convey ability. For example, I can show you my passport and identification. May. May is a modal that is used to ask permission and to indicate politeness. For example, may I see your ticket please? Should. Should is also a modal that is used to show probability without certainty. For example, should I book or window seat? Must. Must is a modal that is used to express obligation or compulsion. For example, you must be at the gate 30 minutes before boarding. Shall. Shall and will are modals. They are used to indicate predictions. For example, will you be bringing your luggage? Shall I expect the airplane to take off on time? So, what we have learned today? Today you have learned about the modal verbs. Modal verbs are used to express ability, possibility, permission, and obligation. Okay? Can, may, should, must, shall, will, these all are the modal verbs. I hope you will like this lecture. Thank you so much for watching.